Search Edge online. Microsoft Edge. Download Edge. And you can select the install language here. English. Confirm and download. Save the file to the desktop of the computer. And the download is complete. Click and download. Installing. Installation complete. Open Edge. Browse RadioLink official website here. Take 8010-2 as an example. Menu. Right-click. Translate to English. Translate to. You can select different languages here, such as French. Done. And the English menu will be translated to French automatically. Select other languages such as German. And the English menu will be translated to German automatically. Take RC6GS V3 as an example. Click menu here. Right-click. You can also translate to the language you want. For example, Spanish. And pay attention, the online language can be translated, but the PDF menu cannot. All RadioLink products with online menu support multilingual manuals translated by Microsoft Edge.